Guys, I start another playlist of videos which is called Little Things Matter, and they do matter in our wardrobe, and it's easy to fix it. No, well, this was not particularly easy because the way what it's made, but the same way what I'm showing to you right now, you can fix another one which is do not make as much as complicated as well as complicated as this one. And this is a lovely jumpsuit, pure white, combination cotton of linen, hidden zipper, as you can see right here, belt loops you can wear with nice leather color belt, and it's short one for summer. It just cannot get any better. And plus also it have this little tie on the back with elastic, which is you can actually tie it up to prevent sliding all the way, but you can wear it on this way, or you can wear off shoulders because of that tie, and it's beautiful. But it's designer piece, but it was overdone by designers, you know, in styles as big shoulders, like it was a beginning of 70s, and designer really overdid. It was so huge here. It's like men's looking thing, and just for lady, it's just we want to keep that style. Obviously we want to be stylish, but we want to be overdone, right? Because we're not walking podium, we walking real sidewalks in real life. We're not walking podiums like those models do, and we don't want people to point fingers on us, but we still want to look in style. No, well, what it was done, as you can see, to create all these drippings on the sleeve, they put liner there. They put liner in the sleeves, and this liner much shortened as actual sleeve. This is much more fabric here as on the sleeve on the fabric here. That's what's create liner pulled up. Remember, like bubble skirt effect? This is the same like bubble skirt effect, just on the sleeves. That's how designer made it. But it was way too much, way bulky here. And what I did, I actually had to cut liner to get to that point. As you can see, let me show it you on this sleeve. As you can see, I cut liner, and I just make big hole in the liner, just to cut out excess on that liner, and close to prevent that raveling in a washer. I just close with lace. That's my favorite way to close, like kind of seams instead running overlock, because overlock on a white I have to match, and my overlock machine set with black thread, and I want to change it. No, well, I just use my little very fancy lace to close it up. And after that, what I did pull out completely this this fabric, which was way too much, and I took it in like good 2 inches here, was taken in and cut it and closed the same way. And after that, it was taken in all the way here because it was too huge. Kind of nobody has that kind of shoulders, not even those big models. No, well, I took it all the way up, as you can see. And I put that piece on the sides like that. I call it butterfly it. And well, the same I took all the way down because it was too huge here. We do, you know, don't need any arms that much, and this elastic here. No, well, took it in here, and that's how it's look. It's not much of dealing with inside, but look outside how beautiful it is. I lay out, it's still that bubble effect. I had too many pieces. Even if I took in a little bit to take shoulders down this way, it was too much this way. Now, well, what I did, I just make it pleat like that and stitch to my new seam. Look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. And it's even add to that style. It's really come up really cute, really nice. I'm very satisfied of this job, and it does still have the same seam, still have this bubble look on the sleeve, and still the sleeve looking large according to style, but not over large, and from any point of view it's look very cute and very nice. This is a little things which is make difference. Please subscribe to channel. Have so many videos out over there with all kind of fashion tips and sewing tips, how to bring that style, how to make a wearable, and love what we wear. Thank you guys for your time.